Hello everyone, now I will introduce to you how to use our lock management software. We log in the software and we input the default password 999. You could change this in your personal settings. Now we could see the dashboard. Before we make basic settings, we must download the communication driver and check the status at the first time you log in the software. Only if all the color is green, we could use the key to communicate with the server. After downloading the communication drivers, we could begin to make the basic settings. Firstly, we need to create the department. We click department at the basic. Then we could click to add the department. And we could edit the department information easily. We also could add subsidiaries. We could create 10 levels in total. Then we begin to add the worker. Here the worker means the person who go to do the lock or unlock operations. We input the work name and choose the department. Please attention that we use the department to identify the worker's operating permission. And we also could edit or delete those settings. Then we could add the user. Here the user means the leader, boss or the administrator, who could log in the software and responsible for making schedule or checking report. And we also use department to identify the permission. You could only check the data belongs to your department. Next step is to edit the role. The step is to identify the user's permission to operate the software. After settings we could give the new login account a permission. The default role is the admin and the operator. And the admin has the highest authority. All the basic settings is done, we could go to add the keys and the locks. We click add a key and input necessary information. Don't forget that the software used the department to identify the permission. So, please make sure that the key and the operated worker must be in the same department. Otherwise you could not take out the key to operate locks. After adding the keys, we go to add locks. We click add locks and do as the guide shows. We could add no limit locks at same time. We use key to touch different locks for adding them into the software. When you touch those locks, you will get a voice prompt, verification successful from the keys. Then we go to collect next locks. Lock collection is successful, we need choose a department. The locks need be in the same department of the keys or their subsidiaries. Then we go to edit the locks information. We could do as the guide shows easily. Now all the settings is done. Before we go to unlock the locks, we need to take out the key. We click take out key, and choose the locks department. Then choose the locks and the correct worker. Correct worker means this worker is in the same department with the locks and the keys. Higher level keys could unlock lower level locks. Then we choose the work time, the schedule. Now we could go to work. When the staffs finish their job, we can connect the key with the software to read the operation record. Here at the report, we could find the lock name, key name, staff name, operate time, operate type clearly. We also could input some condition for an accurate data require. We also read data at the main dashboard. And all the report can be exported to Excel or PDF. Now the introduction is done. Thank you for choosing JWM products, and let's start an efficient management together from now on.